On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, Minitruck? I found this app after searching for a bunch of apps. This is my favorite. It'll track where you drive. It'll track how fast you're going. It's free for Android. Right on. $5,000 is 50. Exactly 50 miles an hour. It's 75 kilometers on my speedometer and 5,000 RPMs. Speedometer GPS it's called. I'll put a link down in the description. You don't want none. The guy in front of us to slow us down. Really? Idiot! What the hell? Someone whacked that thing. See if we can make it around the trails. My Jeep made it. Stick stuck. I'm putting my lockers on. Yeah, Mini. The wind really tore this place up, Mini. Wow, it's a big rock. Don't bottom out. Come on, Mini, you can do it. Woo! Without lockers, I don't think I would have made that one. I'm pretty certain I wouldn't have. And up here, it's even worse. Good thing I could squeeze between there. Holy cow. Wow. 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 Damn, Mini. throw a set of chains on Dumpy. Dumpy would go anywhere with a set of chains as soon as it ices up. Great job as usual, Mini. Great job.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.